This is my chocolate persimmon galette. It's sweet, it's chocolatey and super easy to make. To a bowl, add some flour, ground almonds, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are combined. Then add some vegetable oil, maple syrup for sweetness, and vanilla extract because it goes so well with chocolate. Work the dough with your hands until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add a tablespoon of cold milk and gently press the dough until it comes together and forms a ball. This dough is very easy to work with. It doesn't require a lot of skill, and when you bake it, it's nice and crumbly. You don't have to worry that it will come out tough or rubbery. Lightly dust the dough with flour and roll on a sheet of baking paper. This way it will be easier to transfer it to a baking tray, because we want to roll it out quite thin. Now slice 2 persimmons into thin slices. You can actually use any fruit you like. Choose ripe fruits, because we don't want to add any extra sugar to keep it healthier. Arrange your fruit on the pastry the way you like it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Fold the edges with the help of baking paper. Again, it doesn't have to look perfect. It's home baking after all. Bake the galette at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Enjoy hot or cold, with custard, ice cream, or just as it is.